Here's how I made over $20,000 in just 7 days by using this awesome tool that's called ChatGPT. It's developed by OpenAI. ChatGPT is a natural language processing tool based on GPT 3.5, which allows users to have human-like conversations with an AI chatbot. It can be used to write YouTube descriptions and scripts, generate content, create AI art, and even code. Now, with ChatGPT, you can automate your content creation process and save a lot of time and a lot of money. So maybe I'm not actually saying this, maybe this whole video has been about ChatGPT. What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the new Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money-making videos daily, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit the notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up, and you'll be the first one to know and try it out. Now, to start off, you're going to have to create a free account with ChatGPT, and as soon as you're done signing up, you're going to be brought to the main page where you're going to be able to start using the tool's features. Now, the first step is to get a blog topic in your niche. Now, for that, you're going to have to do a few keyword searches to find low competition keywords in your niche. So in order to rank on Google, now this is where hsupertools.com comes in to help. hsupertools.com is the best free SEO tool to find low competition keywords. So you're going to go ahead, create an account on this website, and once you're done creating an account, you're going to click on SEO and select the keyword research tool. Now you're going to enter in your niche keyword. For example, we're going to choose affiliate marketing and just click on I'm not a robot, select search, and after a few moments, this tool is going to give you a list of keywords with their search volume, competition, and CPC. Now, you're going to pick up those keywords which have a high search volume but with low competition. For example, this affiliate marketing Amazon keyword has low competition but has a high monthly search volume. You're going to copy this word and create an article around it. And you're going to be able to do this by using ChatGPT. Now you're going to go back to ChatGPT and you're going to type in list of blog topic titles that are related to, which is your niche, which is affiliate marketing, and then you're going to hit on enter, and after just a few seconds, ChatGPT is going to give you 10 different topics, ideas that are related to your chosen niche. Now, if you want to get more different ideas, you can click on the regenerate response button. And then the second step is how to get your blog outlines. Now for this, you're going to select any one of the titles and you're going to type in and you're going to outline of blog post for the following. So title, then add your chosen title and press enter. After a few minutes, this tool is going to automatically generate an outline for your particular title that you provided them with. This third step is you're going to get your outline content, how you're going to do that. For this, you're just going to copy the first part of this blog outline, then type in, provide the blog section of this outline, and then paste the first part of the outline on the chat box and press enter. And in just a few seconds, ChatGPT is going to automatically write the introduction of your article. If you guys want to know how you can make even more money online, over $1,000 every single day, then make sure you check our description box down below because we have a pleasant surprise there that I know you guys are going to absolutely love. So make sure you check out our description box down below for that surprise. Also, let me know what payment method you would prefer, PayPal, Payoneer, whatever that may be. Let me know in the comments down below because I'd love to know and read through them, and maybe I can even respond to some. But for now, let's get back into the video. So you're just going to copy all of these, paste it in a new Word document file. You're then going to go back to ChatGPT and type this in, provide the blog session of this outline. Then you're going to copy the second part of the blog outline and paste it before clicking enter. After that, you're just going to copy all this, go back to the Word document, paste it over there, repeat the steps for all the remaining outlines to be able to write a full blog article. Now, as soon as you're done creating a full blog with ChatGPT, it's time to convert it into a human generated blog if you want to rank it on Google. Now, for that, you're going to copy all of this. You're going to go to Google and you're going to search for dupli checker article rewriter. Now, you're going to click on the first website. You're going to scroll down and paste the whole content in the text field. After that, you're going to choose and select that you're not a robot before clicking on rewrite article. And after a few minutes, this tool is going to automatically rewrite the entire article. So you're just going to copy all of the rewritten content, go back to that Word document and paste the rewritten article there. Now, after that, it's important to check if this blog is truly human generated or not. So for this, you're going to be able to use a tool called huggingface.co, and this is an AI content detector tool. You're going to copy a few lines from your blog and head on over to huggingface.co. You're going to paste the content in the text field, wait for a few seconds, and the tool is going to give you a percentage of how human-like your content is. Ideally, you want the content to be at least 90% human-like to pass a truly human-generated article. And once you have a human-generated blog, the next step is to publish the blog on medium.com. Now, Medium is a popular blogging platform that can help you reach a much wider audience and gain even more visibility. Now, to publish your blog on medium.com, you're first going to have to create an account on the website. And then next, you're going to click on the right button on the top right corner of the page, copy and paste your blog post together with the title into the editor. Now, add a featured image to this blog, and for this, you can choose any image related to your niche from either Pixabay or Pexels. It's up to you for completely free. Next, you're going to add in multiple affiliate links to your blog to earn even more commissions. And to be able to do that, you can use Medium's built-in link insertion feature, which allows you to add a link by highlighting the text that you want to link and clicking on the chain icon in the editor toolbar. You're going to paste the affiliate link in the URL field and your link will be ready to go. Once you've inserted the link, the text you've highlighted will become a clickable hyperlink that directs readers to the destination URL when clicked. Now, this feature is a simple and user-friendly way to add affiliate links into your Medium blog posts. If anyone clicks on these links, you're going to earn commissions. And when publishing a blog on Medium that includes affiliate links, it's important to let your readers know about this. You can do this by adding a disclaimer in your bio, on the top of your post, maybe within the body of your post. It's important to note that Medium has a built-in audience and you can use that audience to get more views on your post. So Medium also has an algorithm that helps to surface high-quality content to its readers. So it's important that you make sure your post is well-written and informative. Before we finish up, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. And also let us know in the comments down below what videos you'd like to see next so we can note them down and maybe do it for our next video. Now let's continue. Now for the next step, all you have to do is add 5 blog topics so readers know what your article is about. For example, affiliate marketing, how to make money online, Amazon affiliate program, Amazon associates, Amazon affiliate tutorial, and so on. After that, you're going to click on the publish button and you're going to select the correct publication or create a new one. And as you can see, our article is finally published on medium.com. Now, the next step is to drive traffic to your blog. And there are a lot of ways to do this, but the most effective way is through social media. So you can share your blog post on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram to reach an even wider audience. And make sure you try that out because it's definitely going to make a big difference into your lifestyle. Your life is going to change drastically, so you can thank me later. ChatGPT is the hottest trend right now, and not even everyone knows it yet. So if I were you, while not everyone knows about this yet, you get your hands on this software already because it's going to change your life. So that's basically it, and have a good day.
If there's nothing else, then and thank you guys so much for watching today's video. We've finally hit 60,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for all of your support. And our next goal is 70,000, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you missed anything at all. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.